A recent video released by the Eastern Theater Command has sent ripples of concern through global defense circles, signaling a fundamental shift in how future conflicts may be fought. While casual observers focused on the novelty of armed robotic dogs and swarms of drones, strategic analysts at organizations like the RAND Corporation see a more profound development. They are witnessing an emerging military philosophy that prioritizes industrial volume over individual unit sophistication, creating a tactical environment that current high-technology defenses are ill-equipped to handle. At the heart of this strategy is a move away from the traditional model of seeking the most advanced, expensive single asset. While competitors have historically focused on multi-million-dollar unmanned platforms powered by general-purpose processors and complex software, the Chinese approach emphasizes a swarm intelligence model. Inspired by biological systems like ant colonies, these drones operate without a centralized commander. Instead, they use decentralized algorithms that allow them to coordinate movements, share data, and automatically calculate attack angles. If one drone is destroyed, the remaining 99 automatically reconfigure their formation, making the swarm as difficult to stop as a flow of water. This swarm capability is paired with a clever logistical innovation, the containerized weapon system. Satellite imagery has identified vessels like the Zhongda 79, a 97-meter-long container ship that appears indistinguishable from thousands of other civilian cargo vessels. However, beneath its ordinary exterior, it functions as a modular arsenal ship. Its decks can be fitted with standardized containers that house vertical launch cells for anti-ship missiles or specialized launch tubes for hundreds of folding-wing drones. This Trojan horse tactic presents a nearly impossible identification problem for traditional naval forces. In a high-traffic area like the Pacific Ocean, where thousands of container ships operate daily, distinguishing a commercial vessel from a lethal launch platform is a logistical nightmare. Forcing an opponent to treat every civilian ship as a potential threat could paralyze global trade, yet ignoring them leaves a fleet vulnerable to a sudden, massive discharge of low-cost munitions. The economic reality of this engagement is perhaps the most daunting aspect for traditional militaries. A single standard ship-based interceptor missile can cost $4 million, while the drones they are meant to intercept cost only a few $1,000s each. A destroyer carrying 90 missiles could find its entire magazine depleted in minutes against a swarm of expendable drones, leaving it defenseless against heavier follow-up strikes. By turning high-technology warfare into a war of industrial attrition, this strategy leverages China's massive manufacturing base to create a strategic advantage that is difficult to counter through traditional technological superiority alone.